Yeah, he's the only one that has made it possible for us to be here today. We get plenty complaint about girls, so comedians plenty, we just do and sharp sharp. Please, I want to beg the Lagos girls. Then I go tell others, waiting for Nigeria. No be every trend on I go to follow, I beg. This one I learn to they put body cream inside fridge. You know they favor us. Just last weekend, my uncle come back from work, buy bread. And now they laugh. You know that when you get house, you even though the house they dark, you know where all your things there. My uncle just carry bread, enter kitchen, open fridge, carry something they rub for bread. You know say na Nivea cream. My uncle chop bread with Nivea cream. In lips everywhere, in tongue, on the bleach. Please, girls, I beg. And this is now when they talk, say, everybody want marry. For young guys here, don't let any of your friends deceive you. This talk now they rain. Your guys will tell you, Tony, show us the girl and go to sleep. When you ready, now then go first you sleep. Oh. No go rush any marriage. I don't escort one guy to go marry. You know, say girls not going to confuse you. Then go say, I'm from Enugu, our bride price is just 1,500. Oh, the full marriage list, 20 million, never solve more. One guy don't go marry for Enugu, then send one guy to go print the marriage list. The guy come back, say, they no fit step on the marriage list, then give him for flash drive. Imagine when they give you marriage list for flash drive to go study. Till now, the guy never come back. Now for Jumia, then place that girl now. So I beg, ladies, I like for one thing. Why find girl go there for this Lagos? A very beautiful girl go tell us that she get problem. What be your problem? Just house rent. How much be your house rent? 300,000. When you know, say you get about 4 boyfriends for this Lagos, and 300,000 be your problem. Take a bold step. Open WhatsApp group. Add this your 4 boyfriend. Add them. Add them for the WhatsApp group. Then go ask who add me here. Tell them I'm me, Stacy, on a girlfriend. Explain to them. Mike meet Chinedu meet Frank meet Emeka. I'm your girlfriends. Nothing. Then feel verse. But when they remember how you take 3 to them well, then go bring that thing come out. Your house rent must come out. Girls, hey God. If girls take themselves out like this, you see girls will say they want to go hanging out just for the girls. Story. If you see where then they hang out, then feed them 6 for one table. Just one juice go there for center, like Holy Communion. If they can't try buy pizza, the pizza, small pizza. But if you see that table for internet, they full, they be like person birthday. The same thing with guys. If guys want hang out, then they enjoy themselves. But I know say rich people and poor people, they're different. You see all these our guys, they here, big men. If now water they won't drink, then go drink them. If not Pepsi, they can afford anything. But poor men, why you say poor men are big pride? If you want to follow poor men drink, once you just say, give me yogurt, you say, oh boy, okay, then they drink yogurt for this table. Oh. If you don't go drink beer, come on for here. They pride with rubbish. But where the story they change now when guys and girls hang out. Just imagine 4 guys come out with 2 girls. They don't enter bar, they don't drink, chop, enjoy, everything. Now you can't be said the bar, the door, they record waiting customer buy. So that they go no customer to appreciate at the end of the month. Now the 2 girls now we eat. They don't they work. You know say when girls don't chop your money, then they work out fast to go house. The 2 girls now they don't work out now, they near the door. And then they approach the door will come they record waiting them buy. You go here, make it half crate of smell of ice. Make it shawarma 3,002. Make it nkwobi 6,000. Make it barbecue 4,008. 2 girls who make it shisha 5,002. Total 13,400. Just 2 girls now chop all these things. Now the 4 idiots that will pay the money. The 4 boys they don't they approach the door. As they near the door go first side. Just 2 sticks of Benson. And 1 bottle of table water. Total 516 naira. I will do this very fast before I leave. Everybody they come perform. Nigerian artists, them I don't tire for them. Anybody, when I put camera for my face, anybody will see Olamide, make him tell and say September 12th or 13th, me, MOP. I say go mad. How human being will never die before? You never go heaven. You could just come out and tell the full country, see Mary, see Jesus. Where you see them? That guy on the smoke cement too. Rude boy on my entire meat. That guy is really rude. Just come out and deceive everybody. They sing hallelujah. Hey, now God they do hey, that's in a gospel song. Hallelujah. I was expecting him to say he has reconciled with his brother. Or he don't get a new group. Waiting he can they sing. Now so they get they scatter the waist and scatter the floor. So get they shake nash for club, they thank God. They sing hallelujah for no reason. Nigerian music don't rampant. They touch them for body now. Say Pastor rank him in the form when he get money. Money dey everywhere. Then they call me, we heard this, he scatter everywhere. He can tell us, money they call me, ego napom. After then, nobody call him. No comedy show, no music concert, even burial, they no call him. Now he can they call us, I'm available, I'm available, call me. He go reach all of them, oh. Music don't rampant everywhere. Now, any station where you just enter for your radio, Nigerian music, anywhere you enter, Nigerian music don't they so rampant. Even the gospel events now, then they plan to use Nigerian song, they advertise gospel events. So that they get audience. You go just the drive, you go just the hear, oh money, holy fire, holy money, holy fire. Once they get your attention, you go hear the Ministry of God Children Ministry presents 3 days of power-packed signs and wonders featuring Iben, Samuel Oso. Venue, Muson Center, Oniko. Time, 5 p.m. Come and be blessed. Come and be delivered of all your financial problems. Jesus is Lord. The advert will continue. Olodumare, bless you with money. Oh, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC MOP. God bless you all.